Okay, in last class we learned only one thing, that's called as what? Catalog objects, how to provide the permissions. Catalog objects, how to provide the permission. Catalog object may be folder, dashboard page, KPI, scorecard, report, filter, any object we know how to provide it. And how many types of permissions we have it? 6. What is the lowest permission? No access. Next lowest is
Nice.
traverse. Next lowest is what? Open. Next lowest is
Open.
what? Modify. Next lowest is what? Full control. Then we have the custom. Custom means we can select whatever you want it. Okay. Generally we won't go for the custom, as I know. Whatever you given predefinedly, with that only we are able to manage our requirements. Okay. Right. Today, now we come to we try to see privileges. What is this? Privileges. Let me go for here. I am who I am B160 user. If you go to the new, I am seeing what is this? Analysis option. But I am thinking like this analysis option should not visible. For this user, analysis option should not visible. Then what I need to do? Already we have the experience with these privileges. Did you remember I explained direct database request? In that chapter, we given two privileges. One is edit direct database request. Second, execute direct database request. Those two permissions we given on this user. Same navigation we are going to do it to control this analysis also. What all you have to do is, let me go to the admin window. This is what the admin window what we have readily. I've opened two sessions. One is with WebLogic user. One is with B160 DDR user. Let me go to here. What is this? Administration. Manage privileges and rights given to users and groups. Manage privileges. And we have the access to what I want. Access to what I want. Answers. By default, it's available for whom? BA content author. Who is our B160 DDR user? If you go to the my account, roles and catalog rules, he is a BA content author. As he is a BA content author, he is able to see analysis. But I'm saying, though he is a BA content author, he should not see analysis option. Then what I have to do? I need to forcefully deny it. Go to the plus symbol, then B160, then search, then move, then denied, then OK. B160 DDR, we are trying to deny it. What it's saying? B160 DDR is denied. As it is denied, let us go and try to sign out. Sorry. Yeah, we are already we have one session, right? Let us go for sign out here. Then sign in. B160 DDR, then RR capital, ITC small 123. Okay. Then if you click on here, what we given new? Do we have analysis option here? No.
No.
Why it is not available? Because we gave here privileges no access.
Delay.
Similarly, if I ask you to, hey, I don't want this user to see this dashboard option, then what you are going to do? Same navigation, right?
Yes.
Same navigation. Okay, that is excellent now. So we can do how to provide the privileges, we understand here then. It can control inbuilt options of OBIEE tool using privileges. Denying analysis option to this user. Log into the analytics as WebLogic user, click on the administration, click on manage privileges, click on access to answers, plus symbol, blah, blah, we have these all options. I think I'm good with this. I'm good with this. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this window today, what you have to do is, this window, whatever we have, some important options also available. Let me walk through it. Okay. What is this? Access to export. Whenever we go and try to see, sometimes let us say people will be having the requirements or they will give on complaint kind of thing. Here, whatever we have the report, dashboard or whatever it is, they want to export this one. If they want to export this result, there is an option called as what? Export to Excel. If this export to Excel option should not available for particular business user, because that guy is outside member. If I exported that into the Excel or something, then we are going to lose what? Security. We should not export to the, we should not give this option to the particular users. Then what you have to do? We have to go over there, we have to deny it. By default, it is available for all BA consumers. If you want to deny for one particular group or one role, you have to go over there and you have to select that option. Okay, like that, we have some options are available. Today, what is our goal is, you have to go to this administration and manage privileges. Just read one by one option, what it is, that's it. Can you do that one? Just read one by one option, what we have here, save customizations, prompts, blah, blah, whatever we have it. Just try to read one by one option. Okay, mobile related, enable local content, enable search, and SOAP related, like that, subject related, view no results. Okay, this kind of things are available. Title edit is possible or not, like that. Just try to walk through this total window. Okay, right. Excellent. We are good with that. Then next we need to go for providing permissions to external database groups. Okay, excellent. Now let me take this also as a one video. One moment, sorry.